Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I would like to talk to you about the seating position in the GR Yaris. I know that a lot has been said, but let's look at it from let's say a more objective angle. So fact is that the seat position is quite high. Toyota engineers know ergonomics, they know how to do things, and it always is a mix that includes let's say homologation. So there are reasons for which they did this. I'm let's say 1.80 m tall, so average height, and for me it was really too much, because when you're really making speed, you're feeling moving in the seat, and you feel like under car squat you're falling out of the car with your whole body. So I love the seats themselves, and I didn't want to lose this feature because I also do longer trips in this car, but I wanted to improve the position. So let's start to analyze how it actually works. So this car has got a new age modern system of seat regulation. You see, the seat sliders are made, and why do I say new way? It's ergonomics. So they're made in a way that the further you go down, the engineers say, okay, the taller you are, therefore they're inclined, and the seat goes further down also whilst it's going backwards. Point is, if you're not so tall, because this would have been a better position, even extending all your steering wheel, you still don't have enough position or enough length with your arms to get the steering wheel in such a car. So what do? We have to find a fix. In my case, because there are others on the market, I found Import Racing in Germany, and Alexander up there came out with a solution that I loved because it's stealth. Therefore I installed it, and the install is very straightforward. I'll show you a bit of it in a video in a moment, and I would say from 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on your workmanship skills, you get it done. In return, you will have 2 to 3 centimeters lowered seating position, and as a whole you retain the sliders, okay, and you retain the possibility of opening the seats to get people in the back. So all the pristine functions are remained, plus it's stealth, so it's a system that nobody will see. So see you soon, back with more, and